How to recover a hacked Instagram account. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and log in to the account that is hacked. For that, enter the email or phone number of that account and then tap on Forgot Password. Tap on Next. Now, Instagram will send a verification code to the number or email that you have entered that you have to enter it here. Then you have to tap on Next. Now you will be logged in to your account. Now that you have to change your password, tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner, then tap on Settings and Privacy, tap on Account Center, tap on Password and Security. Tap on your account. Now put your current password, then tap on Next, New Password, redo your new password, then tap on Change Password. So after that, make sure that your account is logged out from all the devices, and that is how you can recover your hacked account. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.